Hi everyone, welcome to Social Studies class. Northern Mountains. In this lesson already we discussed about some topics. Yes, Northern Mountains. The mountains which are located north side. Yes, Himalayas. What is the meaning of Himalaya? The abode of snow. There are three parallel ranges of Himalayas: the greater, the lesser, the outer. Himadri, Himachal, Shivaliks. Yes, already we discussed about these topics. Himalayan mountains. Himalayan mountain range is highest range in the world, which is the highest mountain range in the world. Himalaya mountain range. Which is the highest mountain in the world? Which is the highest peak in the world? Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Highest mountain ranges, our Himalaya mountain ranges. Everest, Mount Everest, where is located? Nepal country. Okay. Next, all the things we learned. Greater Himalayas, northernmost. Lesser Himalayas, between of greater and outer, middle, lesser Himalayas. The outer are Shivaliks, southernmost ranges. Yes, all the things we learnt. Next topic is the Trans-Himalayan range and Purvanchal range. Trans-Himalayan range, Purvanchal range. This is also a group of mountains. Northern mountains meaning already we learnt. Himalayan ranges along with Karakoram ranges we call northern mountains. North side Himalayas located along with Himalayan ranges. There are some more groups of mountains. Groups of the mountains. Trans-Himalayan range. Trans-Himalayan range means they are also located along with the Himalayas. It is another group of mountain. Another group of the mountains. But we say what are located in the north direction of India. At that time we say Himalayas. Why we are saying always Himalayas only? They are major part in the north side. The Himalayas are spread heavy amount of area. Spread to heavy amount of area. They are very largest, highest ranges. That's why we say Himalayas. Why? They are remarkable. They are famous. When we remember about just north side, immediately we can talk about Himalayas. But there are so many mountain ranges also beside the Himalayan ranges. Trans-Himalayan range means the mountain groups which are located along with the mountains or beside the Himalayan mountains. That's why we call Trans-Himalayan range. They are also located along with the mountains. Which mountains? Himalayan mountains. So, first of all, whenever we are talking about something, it is a place or mountain or river, we should know what is its location first. Where is it located? First of all, north-west of the Himalayas. North-west of the Himalayas. First of all, East direction, how many directions? 4 directions. West direction, south, north. East, sun rises in the east. In the morning, sun rises in the east. West, sun sets in the west. When in the evening, sun sets in the west. South, north. These are 4 directions. If some place or river or mountain located exact here, we say that so and so mountain located in the east. When some mountain or river located exact here, we say so and so mountain or so and so river is located in the west. When a river located here, we say in the south so and so river is located. Then what is about this place, and what is about this area, and what is about this area, and what is about this area? Yes, when some place or a mountain or a river located in this area, we call all this area northeast. Northeast. This is when some mountain located here. If some mountain is located here, we say so and so mountain is located northern east of India or northern eastern part of India. Okay. This area, if some place or river or mountain located in this place, we call it is northwest. Northwest or northwestern part of India. Next, here southeast. Southeast part. This is why here south, here east, between belongs to 2 directions, south and east. Here south west. If something located exactly to the directions place, we say east or west or north and south. But if something located between of 2 directions, we say like this. If some place is located here, it is located northeastern part of India. If here northwestern part, southeastern part, this is southwestern part, southwest part. Okay, it is located southwest direction, we can say. Okay. Northwest of the Himalayas. Northwest of the Trans-Himalayan range, where is it located? Northwest of the Himalayas. Where they are located exactly? Let us look at the map. Let us look at the map. This is India map, right? India political map. East direction, west direction, south, north. This is the north direction. Already we learnt Himalayas are located, yes, Greater Himalayas, Lesser Himalayas, Outer Himalayas. Already we learnt in previous class, right? So Trans-Himalayas are located here. These are Himalayan mountains, north side. Northwest means here. Northwest means, yes, if we go this side, if we go to this side, this is west part. So This is also belongs to west part and north part also. This is the mixed for north and west directions. So we say north eastern part, north eastern of Himalayas. So here at the same time Indus river also starting from here. Yes, what is the meaning of Indus? Indus is a river name. Indus is a river name. So here Indus river is starting and flowing. Major part of Indus river sources available in Pakistan. Just starting in our country, and just they are flowing to Pakistan. It is very useful for Pakistan citizens. Okay, here beyond the Indus river, Trans Himalayan range is located. Okay, here Jammu Kashmir, yes, Ladakh. Here, what is Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh? They are union territories, newly established union territories. Once upon a time Jammu Kashmir was a state. Now it is divided into two union territories. One is Jammu Kashmir, one more Ladakh. Okay, so location finished, right? Location finished. Next, it is consist of mountain ranges. It means there are some mountain ranges available. Trans Himalayan range means it is a group of some mountain ranges. They are Karakoram mountain ranges. Karakoram mountain ranges. What is Karakoram? Pir Panjal, the Jaskar, Kailas, Himalayas. Example, here a group of mountains, just we are calling them with a name, particular name. Why? For our convenience. Already we have also so many names of villages, cities. Why we are calling them with the names, particular names? For our convenience. Hyderabad we are calling. Why? If somebody talking about this place, if they say Hyderabad, then we can understand, oh, you are talking about Hyderabad, right? Okay, tell. Yes. If somebody saying about Hyderabad without name, we get confusion, right? That is why we are calling the mountain ranges with some name for our convenience to remember easily. Yes. So in this Trans Himalayan range, Karakoram mountain ranges, there is a group of some mountains. Its name is Karakoram mountain ranges, like Himalayan mountain ranges, like that Karakoram mountain ranges. One more, Pir Panjal. What is the mountain range name? Pir Panjal. Okay, Pir Panjal. It is also a group of mountain. Okay, mountain ranges. Next, the Jaskar. Mountain range. The Jaskar mountain range. Next, Kailas Hills. Yes, we say Kailas Hills. We know very well about Kailas Hills. So these are the mountain ranges which are located in Trans Himalayan range area. Okay, Trans Himalayan range. Next, K2, we can call simply K2. Its name is Mount Godwin Austen. Okay, Mount Godwin Austen. Simply we call K2 peak. What is the speciality of K2 peak? Already we learnt in previous class. Which is the highest peak in the world? Mount Everest. Everest. Where is it located? Where it is located? Nepal country. Mount Everest. This is the highest peak in the world. K2, Mount Godwin Austen, or simply we can say K2. This is the second highest peak of the world. What is the specialty of K2 peak? It is the second highest peak of the world. So if it is second highest peak of the world, then one more GK question we can say here, this is the highest peak in India. Okay, first of all, Mount Everest is first highest peak in the world. K2, or its name is Mount Godwin Austen. Okay, K2 peak is the second highest peak in the world. Second highest peak in the world, peak of the world. Mount Everest height is 8,850 approximately. In some books 8,845 given exactly. Okay, according to your books 8,850 approximately, it means here and there. Okay, near to 8,850. Exact value given in some books 8,848 meters. Okay, meters. K2 peak is 8,611 meters height. So 8,800, 8,600. So approximately 200 to 230 meters just difference it is having between Mount Everest and K2 peak. Difference is just approximately 200 meters. It is 8,800, it is 8,600. So this is the second highest peak of the world. Which is the highest peak of the world? Mount Everest. Which is the second highest peak of the world? K2. So second highest peak of the world. Next, the Trans-Himalayan range is one of the greatest ranges in Asia. Asia, what is Asia? Asia continent. How many continents are there? 7. Asia is the biggest continent on the earth. Okay. One of the greatest ranges means there are some greatest ranges available in the world. So it is also one remarkable. Remarkable means it is some famous. It is having some good name in height, in its height. So not greatest in the world. About Trans-Himalayan range, it is one of the greatest ranges in Asia continent. Himalaya mountain range is different. Trans-Himalayan range is different. Okay, Himalaya mountain range is greatest mountain range in the world, but Trans-Himalayan range is just, it is one of the greatest ranges. It means it is also related to greatest mountain range. Okay, you need to separate the topic here. Don't get confusion. Trans-Himalayan range is different. Himalayan mountain range is different. Trans-Himalayan range means these mountain ranges also located along with Himalayan mountain ranges. So this is not Himalayan mountain range. Trans-Himalayan range. Why we call Trans-Himalayan range? They are also located along with just neighbor of the Trans-Himalayan range. So this is one of the greatest Himalayan ranges in Asia continent. Next topic, Purvanchal range. Purvanchal range. First of all, let us discuss its location. Let us discuss about its location. Whose location? Purvanchal ranges. Okay, Purvanchal range. It lies along eastern border of India. Eastern border. Where is eastern border? East side. Okay. What is eastern border? Just observe here on the map. This is north side. This is east side. So this also east side. This is the border, right? Here. Along with the eastern border of India. Eastern border of India. Here, every state has mountain ranges. Himalayan. Why? Here. Himalaya stretches up to here, right? Yes. Greater, lesser, outer. 3 ranges total covered here, right? So every state having some part of Himalayan ranges. This is the range which is located in this area. Okay, it is called Purvanchal range. Here Mizoram also Himalayas are available. Manipur, Tripura, Nagaland, Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh. Every state having Himalayas. In every state Himalayas are there. Okay, so its location is along with the eastern border of India. Okay, next, these ranges are not very high. Okay, these ranges are not very high. It means they are just average, medium heights they are. Average height is less than 3000 meters. Purvanchal ranges height is averagely less than 3000 meters. So they are not very high. Okay, they are not very high. Next, this Purvanchal range is covered with thick forest. Already we discussed about Assam. Assam is the maximum tea producing state in India. Which is the maximum tea producing state in India? Assam. Yes, they are also having thick forests. This Purvanchal range is covered with very thick forest. Examples: Garo Hills, Khasi Hills, Jaintia Hills, Naga Hills, Lusai Hills and Mizo Hills. Okay, don't worry. Karakoram ranges, Pir Panjal, the Jaskar, Kailas, next Garo, Khasi, Jaintia, Naga, Lusai Hills, Mizo Hills. Where are located? Let us have a map pointing session. In next class, just take one India map. Let us have map pointing session. Just try to locate, we will try to locate these ranges, where exactly they are located. Okay, don't worry, all the hills, let us have a map pointing session also. Okay, this is what about Trans-Himalayan ranges and Purvanchal ranges. To understand more things, just read lesson so that you can understand very easily. Okay, thank you.